Yeah, yeah, a new project idea. Perfect. I am fresh out. A screwdriver. Yeah, I mean, I could do that. It's just gotta be Jackman size. Yeah, let's do it. So metal and epoxy and no wood. So no pallet wood? No! Yeah, we can totally do that. No problem. But you can't tell how long this has been hanging out there for. So here is the easel drawing I'm about to cut. Drew that in Adobe Illustrator, exported as an SVG, and then imported that here into easel, duplicated it 4 times. These dots are just in a random spot, and I have it centered around the 0 point, even though that doesn't show on the material here. If we simulate it, you can see that's going to cut anyway. So that way I can zero right in the center of my workpiece.
One eternity later. One hour later. One.
Paint in a bag. Zach? So, really the only reason that I built this is because my blade was getting dull. Yes, so that's a 4x scale screwdriver. It's about 15 pounds and almost a gallon total of Total Boat epoxy resin. And the bit is a piece of 1-inch steel bar stock forged by my buddy Zach over at ZH Fabrications on YouTube. Now let's talk about Total Boat for a second. They're the whole reason that this video happened. I used their high performance 2-to-1 mix epoxy resin for the handle and some red boat paint to give it the right colors. Now as a thanks to everybody who watched this video, coupon code Jackman will get you 20% off anything Total Boat on their website, which I'll link down below. Now they also have a ton of wood finishes, other variations of their epoxy resins, and a bunch of other products you're definitely gonna wanna go check out right now. Oh, it's starting to get heavy. Now I want to mention Zach Herberholz again. He forged the metal part of this project. We have another collaboration coming up soon, but go check out his YouTube channel, ZH Fabrications. He's an amazing designer, an awesome blacksmith, and he's just always developing his talents and doing something new. So I think that's it for now. As always, all the notable tools and materials are listed down below in the description, along with a link to my website article if you want to take a deeper dive into the project. I kind of walk through all the steps in more detail there. But go check that stuff out. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna go find some screws.